how to use NotebookLM for research. All right, so it's really easy to do this. All you need to do is just simply sign into your account. Once you have signed into your account, the next step is to click on Create Notebook. Now it's going to go ahead and create a notebook for you. And then on this page, all you need to do is just go ahead and find a source for your research. So now you could either research your papers, that is PDFs you have on your phone, PDFs you have on your computer. You could also research things like your lecture notes, your textbooks, Google documents, research articles, anything that is a file that is saved on your computer can be uploaded, as well as MP4 and MP3 files. Now, there is also the option to use websites. So, if there are websites you would like to research off of, you could just paste them here. You could also make use of your Google Drive if there are research materials on there. And you could also paste any research text you had copied onto your clipboard. Now, you could also use the search web as an option. There are two options here, like fast research for quick results and deep research for in-depth reports and results. So let's say you want to search the web for something new. You could either go with the web or you could go with your Google Drive, that's content on your Google Drive. So let's say we want to search the web for something like how our bridge is built. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on send here, and it's going to begin working on this. It's just going to go ahead and start researching websites for how to build things like this. So now once it's found sources, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on import. So once all these sources are added from your web search, these are sources, it's going to take out information from here and provide an answer for you. So all you need to do is just simply ask a question. So you could just simply ask a question by typing into the box here. You could simply ask it to explain how it works from the number of sources you want, and then just simply click on send here. And it's now going to begin looking for the answers within all of these sources. And once it's done, it's now going to relay that information here to you. So that's how you can get your research done.